Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you what is callout in Revit and how it is used in our Revit project. So without wasting much time, I am going to start with my view tab here. And if you select view tab here, you can see this is the symbol of callout. And if you select this drop down arrow here, you can see there are two categories of callout. One is rectangle callout and one is callout by sketch. So I will discuss each one. So first we need to understand the definition of callout. So if you select the callout here, you can see it creates a specific portion of the model geometry to show a greater level of detail. So if you want to show detail of some parts of your project, and if you want to zoom it out, you can use callout, and you can execute on the site. You can give to your contractor and he can have better understanding of any specific area. So it is just an example that if you want to execute your project on the site and contractor is asking for more detail, you can use callout to show any specific part in your project, and you can give a detailed view of your area. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to my callout here, and I'm going to select rectangular callout here. And as soon as you will select rectangular callout, you can see your mouse is converted into cursor. So I'm going to select this portion here, and I'm going to start from my left click, and I will move to my right side, and I will leave my left click here, and you can click once and you can see this is the callout portion here. And if you select this callout here, you can see these three dots here, and you can use this head point here, and you can move as per your comfort. You can move this detail here, and this will be adjusted as per sheet. And as soon as you will create a callout here, you can see this callout is showing in floor plan here. So I am going to click this, and you can see this is the enhanced portion of the callout area. And if I am going to my detail level, so it is into coarse, so I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to select fine coarse here. And if you select fine coarse, you can see this is the enlarged view of your area by using callout. And you can see there is I section, and this is the stack wall, and you can see there are some layers of this wall, so you can use it in your drawing. So this is just a basic example so that you can understand callout. You can use in your sectional view also this type of callout. So you can rename this callout also here. And now I'm going to my level 1 here, and you can also adjust this position here. You can drag these points, and you can have this only wall view also, and so you can adjust as per your comfort. And if you click this level 1, you can see this is showing only wall portion here, so you can use it in your drawing, and you can enlarge any portion if you want to make clear on the site to the contractor. So it is used, and it is very useful, and it will save a lot of time. So I'm going to my level 1 here, and now I'm going to use this callout by sketch. So I'm going to use, and you can create your customized callout. So suppose I want to create from this side, and I'm going to cover this wall here, and I'm going to cover this door also, and I'm going to give this portion a detailed view. And you can get experienced by using in your projects, so you will automatically start using. So I'm going to drag this little bit to this door, and now I have created callout by sketch. I am going to finish this, and now you can see this is the callout by sketch. You can adjust points as per your comfort. And now you can see this is the callout 2. So if you double click this, you can see this is the enlarged view of this area. And now I'm going to change the course from course to find this detail. And you can see this is the stack wall and I section with the interior walls and the doors. So this is to give you just basic understanding of what is callout. You can use it in your projects, you can use it in your section also. So if I'm going to my level 1 here and I'm going to draw a section here, and if you double click this, you can just see these sections. So and you can create a fine detail here, and you can increase this wall height, and you can create any detail callout here. And I'm going to use rectangular callout here, and I'm going to make a detail here. So you can go to your sectional view, and you can see this is the section 1, callout 1. You can click and you can see this is the detail of this roof with wall, and you can use it in a project, and later on you can detail it out. So this is just a beginner's understanding of the what is callout. And so this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.